Education is the way out of poverty. I am truly excited. I am truly appreciative of every single person in this room. This night is not about me. It's about, generosity. It's about just compassion. It's about being selfless. It's about just, caring about someone else and not you. When my little brother passed away almost 3 years now, it shook the rest of my family. The little guy who was the best man in my wedding, right? The little guy that I cleaned his diapers. And, the hurt, the pain that he gave his life to save someone else. So as I thought about it, and, while we were grieving, is how can we honor his legacy of serving other people? How can we continue that? How can we not let his death be in vain? And that's the reason why we started the Unity J. McGill Foundation. We're going to award between $500 to $1,000 to anyone serving the community. So the Unity J. McGill Education Fund is going to send as many people as possible to get educated. Education is the way out of poverty. I am a testament of that. I was a refugee for 7 years. I came to this country when I was the age of 15 without a formal education. I am standing in front of you today. I have a PhD. Okay? I don't say that to tell you how resilient I am. When I leave this earth, it's not about what I did, it's the impact that I have on other people. It's what they're going to say. When someone passes, we sit down and we cry and then we leave and our life goes on. But what remains is your legacy, is what you've done and the impact that you've had on other people. And that is what I vouch for my brother who passed it. I'm going to continue to do that until my demise. So I am so grateful for each and every one of you.